This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can pull data from one spreadsheet into another in Google Sheets. Here, I have a table, and let's suppose I want to use this same exact data in another sheet. You do not need to necessarily copy and paste that data. You can use a formula called IMPORTRANGE to do that. The first thing you want to do is copy the URL of the original spreadsheet, and I'm going to do that here. Then you want to open up the spreadsheet where you will share that information. So here I have a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to start by typing the formula IMPORTRANGE. Once you're done typing the formula, select Tab. In this first slot, you're going to insert a quotation mark and then paste the name of the URL that has the original spreadsheet. And then you're going to insert a comma. Then you need to type in the name of the sheet within that spreadsheet and the range or the cells you want to pull. So the name of the sheet in the other spreadsheet was sheet 1, just like it was below, and that must also go in quotation marks. So I'm going to type quotation mark sheet 1, and then you're going to end that with an exclamation point, and then enter the range of the cells you want to import. So in the original spreadsheet, the range that we're going to use goes from A1 to D8. So that's what I want to insert here. So I'm going to type A1 colon D8. And when I do that, that's going to include all of the cells from A1 to D8. You end that by closing the quotations and then inserting a closing parentheses. Click enter. And now you might get a pound ref, which means you need to connect the spreadsheets. So it says you need to connect these spreadsheets. The first time the destination spreadsheet pulls data from a new source spreadsheet, permission is needed to be granted. So I'm going to click allow access. And now the data from the original spreadsheet is now in the new one. So let's suppose I go in the old spreadsheet and I change Washington to Lewis. That is going to be reflected in the cell in the new spreadsheet. So whatever you share here will be shared in the new sheet. Notice that when you use IMPORTRANGE, it does not copy the formatting. So if you want to retain your formatting, what you can do is you can highlight your cells, then select copy, and then go to the new spreadsheet, highlight the cells, and then when you paste, you want to go to paste special and then select format only. And now the format matches the original spreadsheet. So this video shows you how to pull information from one Google Sheet into another Google Sheets document. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.